Take this cover off. You can use a trim tool or a pick. Just get behind here. It's easier to get in there with a pick to start. And then there is a little tab in there. Oops. That should pop off. Just like that. That's where the clip is. There's a couple clips. Just pop. Now take this trim piece off right here. Just get underneath here with a pick or a trim tool. Just pop it up. Just pops up like that. And you can disconnect the connector right here. You can use a pick or just try to push it down on the connector and just slide it right off. Take this cover off right here. Just get underneath here with the trim tools. And it just pops right up. Just like that. It's just clipped in. There should be 3 screws. One's missing on this vehicle, but there's one there, and also one there. Use a 10mm socket and take those all off. Take a trim tool and go along the perimeter of the door panel. Just pop it off. Sometimes it's easiest to start underneath. There's just push pins holding it in. Those are all popped off. Pop it out, and then just slide the panel up and out. I'm going to take these 2 brackets off, use the same 10mm socket, take the screws out. Now we'll take this vapor barrier off. You can just take a razor blade, just be careful, and just trim the butyl tape holding it on. Or if it just peels off, then that's fine. If you need to, when you put it back together, you can add more butyl tape or some type of glue adhesive. Slide the wiring harness through. And you can just have this hang if you want, or just pull it off completely. There's a connector right here, just disconnect it, push down on the tab. Slide it out. There's 3 screws on the side here, use a T30 socket, take those out. Now grab the latch and just slide it out. This plastic cover is going to slide down. You can just take a pick or a screwdriver, just get under here. This is kind of a lock to hold the cover on. And it just slides back. There's another one on this side, or if you get in from underneath here as well. And slide it up. Same with right here. That up, then we can disconnect the cables. Take this cable off here, just pop this out. Just like that. Then pop this off to the side. Might need a pick slide that off, and then that comes off. Set that aside. These other two cables, you can slide this off and out just like that, and then this cable pops off. And this last cable right here. Just pop it out of the bracket. And then you just angle this up and it slides out. Take the door latch, we'll install the cables. Pretty much start the same way as you removed them. This one is going to go in like this. Just slide in that slot there and then twist it down. And lock that down right there. This one here is going to go in there and lock this down just like that. Make sure that cover looks like it's going to line up properly. Slide this tab in here, lock it down, and slide that in position right there. Now we can put the cover back down and just lock it down. Make sure all those tabs are good. That looks good. I'll slide this back in position. Just like that. Get the screws started. Get them all started before you tighten them down. Now tighten them down. Make sure they're snug. Plug in the connector, lock it down. Now we can put the vapor barrier back on. Just slide the wiring harness through here and get it positioned the same way it was when you took it off. And if you need some more butyl tape, just put some more or some type of adhesive. Put these brackets on, get the screws started. And this one also. Take the door panel, make sure you slide the wiring harness through there. And you want to get it started up top first, near the window. Slide it down. When it's all lined up, then you can just push it in. Now put the screws in. And tighten them down. Put this panel on. Lock it down. Now plug the connector in. And line it up. Lock it in place. Now take this cover, line it up. And lock it down.